Creating sub-level group and item. To create subgroup and subgroup child items, indent the group to the target level and then create its children. We will start by creating the first level group. Let's call this group 1. Right below group 1, create group 1.1, which will be our second level group. Click at the cell of group 1.1, then click at the Increase Indent button on the right. Now group 1.1 is a second level group item, and is a child to group 1. Right below group 1.1, add a few more tasks. Note that each of the new items will be indented based on the item right above it. To fold or unfold all groups at certain level, select the top left corner cell, click the drop-down icon, and choose the desired option.